Hello, Maria. You know that I'm your coach, but for now I'm your host. So tell me a few things about you. Where do you come from? How long do you play tennis?
Um,
What are your rankings, results?
I'm
We
from
can we can watch camera at home.
I'm from Kyiv, Ukraine. I play tennis already 8 years or 9, and for now my rank in Tennis Europe I think it's 55 or
Ah, okay, perfect. So how do you like Serbia, Belgrade? How do you like practicing in the club? What's your favorite exercise?
Favorite coach?
Yeah, okay, we know that. We know that.
okay. Um, I really love Belgrade, but I didn't see all all Belgrade, but I think it's really cute city, but a little bit smaller than Kyiv, and I really love this club. It's really. I think court number 6 is that's my favorite court, and my favorite exercise is fitness with the ball. And